This guide will help you troubleshoot and reduce lag spikes while playing League of Legends. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible, and check for any interruptions or slow speeds using an internet speed test. Step 2. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth or system resources. This includes streaming services, downloads, and other online applications. Step 3. Optimize game settings. Adjust the in-game settings for better performance. Lower graphics settings, disable unnecessary visual effects, and ensure that the resolution matches your monitor's native resolution for smoother gameplay. Step 4. Update network drivers. Make sure your network drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website for your network adapter and download the latest drivers to ensure optimal performance. Step 5. Configure firewall and antivirus. Check your firewall and antivirus settings to ensure they are not blocking or throttling League of Legends. Add the game to the exceptions list or temporarily disable them to see if it resolves the lag spikes. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce lag spikes and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in League of Legends. Happy gaming!